Hello everyone, a quick video about email safety against phishing attacks. Back to basics. If you receive any email that alerts you to a package not being delivered or contains a link because the administrator is going to delete your mailbox or anything you can think of, do not just fall for it. Take a while, take a deep breath, think carefully, and if it's your email administrator, you can go contact your email administrator and find out if there's a problem. If it's a package that you were expecting, then and you're legitimately expecting a package, do not open that email. Really don't. They often try to catch you off guard, but yeah, it is a problem and you need to be careful. The other thing that you can do is if you get an email from any institution or bank or any person that demands a deposit or is notifying you of fraud on your account or whatever it might be, just take the phone and call that institution and ask to speak to that person and find out, hey, so I've received this email, what's going on? This will save you a whole lot of heartache and problems down the line. Just basics, back to basics. Call the person, verify, confirm. Do not feel anxious. Do not jump and do something. Another thing that you can do is you can scrutinize the email a little bit. Look at the logo of the email. Look at the... You can just do a Google search on spotting phishing emails. But look at that. If there's a link, hover your pointer above the link and see where that link is going to take you. And whenever in doubt, confirm with the sender or your IT department and make sure that this is, in fact, a legit email. That's it from my side. Thank you for watching.